Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, I'll show you some simple steps to fix your keyboard typing in all caps. So, let's get started. Try pressing the caps lock button. This solves many caps lock related issues. If this doesn't fix the problem, then on the left-hand side of the keyboard or right in Europe, you will find a lot of buttons. Go to the far left-hand side and locate the key that reads Caps Lock. Caps Lock will be in between the Shift and Backspace button. Sometimes Shift and Tab. Sometimes, a simple restart can fix the issue. Restart your computer to see if that resolves the problem. If the issue persists, you might need to update or reinstall your keyboard drivers. Here's how you can do it. First, open Device Manager by right-clicking on the Start button and selecting Device Manager. In Device Manager, expand the Keyboards section. Right-click on your keyboard device and select Update Driver. And there you have it. These simple steps should help you fix your keyboard typing in all caps. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to Tech AI for more useful tutorials. Also, let me know in the comments if there are any other topics you'd like me to cover. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.